Thank you everyone for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. Today's topic is in regards of NovaTech. NovaTech is leading in the Forex and crypto trading. If you're new to the Forex trading platform, NovaTech is definitely for you. So the reason why I joined NovaTech, someone introduced it to me. I'm not too side with Forex, but I'm also am side with crypto. I love how crypto use the blockchain and how the blockchain is able to provide a system that you can purchase products using the blockchain using different types of cryptocurrency. So crypto is one of those things that I'm attached to and I'm a part of. Now the forex is somewhat foreign to what I'm doing, but with Novatech, so in your back office they have some training. I'll show you my back office in a moment. But if you're joining Novatech, the way you join, you have to fund your account. So you can. So one of the things is, so let me get to the point. So Novatech, if you're looking to earn a profit using the forex and crypto trading, Novatech experts, traders, they do it for you. So it's a system where you'll have what's called an enrollment package, and I'll show that as well. So you'll enroll with an enrollment package, and then that enrollment package is traded through the trading portal with Novatech. And each Friday, those profits, now you receive a percentage of the profits of whatever it earns through the Forex crypto trading platform. Excuse me. And each Friday it's deposited into your account. So with that, you can take some of your profits and reinvest in the trading. So it's as like compounding interest. You're building wealth each Friday, and you're putting it back into your account, or you can cash out, however you prefer. Now remember, when you're funding your account, you're going to use Bitcoin. So I'm going to take you to my back office. Now, if you're looking to get into Forex trading, Novatech has a trading academy which is free once you join. Okay, and then I'll show that to you. Remember, if you decide to join Novatech, you find that the information I'm providing you that we can build as a team. I'm not going to be better than you, or possibly you probably know more than I do, and then you can enhance how we can grow our money together using Novatech through the trading platforms, Forex and cryptocurrency. The crypto we're using, of course, it's Bitcoin. Okay, so here's my credentials. So when you're signing up, it's going to ask you for your sponsor ID. My sponsor ID number, see right here. This is me. I'm the distributor. My name is Don Alexander. So your sponsor is going to ask you for an ID number. That ID number for me is 189955, and then my name should show up underneath that once you are signing up. And remember, when you're signing up, that Trading Academy, it's free. I want to click on the button, but I prefer that those people who are joining Novatech, you'll see that Trading Academy. And once you click on this icon there, you're going to be taken to the Trading Academy, and it's of course it's for newbies. It takes from being a new trader into an intermediate trader. Those are hours of videos, and each videos are broken down in segments, so it's not just 6 hours based off of, or 6 hours, just going on and rambling. So it's broken down to modules, and it gives you some information on what those videos are accomplishing for that person who's looking into it. So when you when you join Novatech, you're going to fund your account, and then when you funding your account, you're going to hit what's called the enrollment package, right? So you click on the enrollment package, and you're going to be clicking on it as a distributor, okay? And that's how you're going to fund your account. And then, now I want to let you know that everything that you hear in this video is for educational purpose only. I do not guarantee that you're going to make a profit or lose all your money or profits and things like that. So this is more of you using some disposable income that is not going to take away from you. If you have a family, it's not going to take away from your family as well. There's just a, if you just want to be an affiliate, share the NovaTech technology to other people, you can do that. And it's that fee is 49.95. That's not a monthly fee. That's just a one-time fee of 49.95. And those are the perks that you get as far as you joining, and you can earn some affiliate bonuses, once that happens. But of course, at that 49.95, there's just not so much you can do with that. Now, the level that I came in is I came in as what's called a builder package. Now, that builder package is from $99 to $499. Now, how are you going to enroll or fund your account? You're not going to be able to do that, using like a debit card or linking it to a bank account, anything like that. What you can do is use Bitcoin. So if you already have like a Bitcoin wallet, that's how you're going to fund your account. And once you hit this enroll button, it's going to take you to payment method. It's going to go coin payments. So you're going to use coin payments, and then in between $99 to $499. That's how much money you're going to be able to fund your account. And then once that happens, that money that you put into your wallet, that's going to be put onto the trading platform. So it's going to build as the forex market have those pitfalls and valleys, and then your highs and lows and all those peaks and valleys. That's what it's called. But for forex, well, that's more stocks. But for forex, you have your terminology, and then part of that builder package, you get all these benefits of being a part of the builder package. And of course, with that builder package, you're gonna get that trading academy for free. Okay, so I think with all the packages, the trading academy is for free. It's hours of information in regards of learning how to trade from newbies to intermediate. Okay, and then one of the things that's unique is that PAM account. So that PAM account is something that you fund, and then you start seeing the trades, how it moves, and then you're gonna earn some income off of all those good fees and all those good forex that's happening, and to profit off of that. Like I said, I'm new to forex. There are some people who are very good forex producers. Now, what NovaTech does, they do the trading for you. If you're a newbie and that's what you prefer to do, even if you are an uh, intermediate or you're an experienced forex trader, if you prefer, NovaTech will, based off of your enrollment fees, you'll earn a percentage. Now, I know what the percentage are each Fridays. It fluctuates, but I don't tell you what it is because once you're on the platform, you're going to see the earnings in your back office. Okay, so each Friday, based off of the earnings, it's going to be put into your trading account, and then it's going to be in your wallet where you can put it in your trading account, or you can cash it out if you choose to do so. So my strategy to build my income or my investment is once when Friday hits. Now remember, I just joined. Okay, so once my profit hits my account, I'm going to reinvest. Right. So my goal is to always keep it reinvesting. So I keep building and keep building, and at some point in time, this is how much I want to have in my account. That's building that interest, and then it's going to benefit to over here in the 100,000 zone where I'm really reaping the rewards of making my money work for me versus me work for my money. But if you're an experienced forex trader, we have that Metra 5 site software where you can do the trading for yourself, right? And if you're not familiar how to do the trade, go through the Trading Academy, and that Trading Academy is going to get you in tune and up to date on how to trade, what to do, and how to do it. And then it's going to give you it's going to take you from a new person of forex all the way to an experienced person that's doing forex. So remember when you're signing up for NovaTech, my information, I'll take you back to that link where it's actually I can just tell it to you and put it in the description box below. That's agent.novatechfx.com. And remember to sign up as a distributor, and then you're going to fund your account. you want to go with the builder package, okay? So in between $99 and $499, or if you have a little bit more disposable income, you could come in at a better price because, of course, you're getting paid based off of how much you're investing in NovaTech, right? So based off of how much you put in there, so each Friday you're gonna see a profit in your trading account. You can either cash it out or you can reinvest. So what I'm doing with my account is going to be reinvesting to build up my investment portfolio. Okay, and if you want to buy Bitcoin, so what I did for my account, I use my Cashout. That's one of the Bitcoin wallets I have. I have a few different other cash or Bitcoin wallets. I use Coinbase, I use Webull, but I went to my Cashout, bought a crypto, fund my account. Took less than 5 minutes to get to NovaTech's Bitcoin wallet, and I funded my account. Okay, but you can also buy Bitcoin on the NovaTech platform. Now remember, I'm building my team. So if you join using my link, you're going to be part of my team, and then I'm a part of another team, or it's my upline who's I'm underneath their team, and then we're part of a larger group. And you'll be able to see who's a part of our team, and actually there's some celebrities that are part of our team, and very proud of. Not overshooting it with the celebrity, but I didn't realize who's involved with Novatech, and I'm amazed. But also just give you some information. Novatech is actually has some filings on the Security Exchange Commission. And so, that just give me that validation of, okay, they're a legit company. They're doing things by the book, and I'm proud to say that. I'm glad to be a part of that. But remember, if you don't know how to do forex trading, Novotech, they do that for you. But if you're an experienced trader, we have that Metra 5 technology software that you can click on there and create an account, and you can do the trading for yourself. But if you don't want to do the trading for yourself, Novotech, they do that for you. Every Friday, the profits is in your account. You can cash it out, and then also you can reinvest. It depends on what you want to do with your profits. Now remember, to fund your account, you got to use Bitcoin, right? So you can click on here, buy the Bitcoin, or you can use any of your Bitcoin wallets to fund your account, right? So I want to thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. Stay tuned for other videos in regards to Novotech, Forex trading, and then also crypto. I want to thank you very much. Please, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. And then also my link is going to be in the description box, so you can kind of just navigate it and see how it looks for you. But also Novotech provide you a demo account. So if you want to try the demo account, kind of just see how it works in the system, you can go ahead and go to agentdon.novatechfx.com. And you can create a free demo account and just browse around and see how that works for you. I want to thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. If you're not a subscriber to our channel, we'd love to have you on board, and hopefully this video is providing some detailed information on joining Novotech and how to fund your account. And then if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a message, and I definitely will respond to you. And then if you join the team, I'll reach out and then make sure that we are building together, okay? Have a good day.